Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you on your auto rotate screen, and guys how can you use in your Tecno phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So in this video guys, first of all guys I will show you guys how what is auto rotate. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting to on auto rotate. Then guys scroll it, display and brightness setting, tap here, and guys again scroll auto rotate screen. We will on from guys this right side icon. Then guys come back and guys open your YouTube app, any app, and guys you want to rotate. So guys you can rotate it. So as you can see guys you want to rotate. So friends you can see guys you want to rotate your phone. So guys you can rotate. It will rotate it, and guys you can use it like that. The rotate screen setting. So I don't have guys any data and connection settings. So as you can use your auto rotate screen like that in your Tecno phone device. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate and guys how to use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.